the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. It means the beginning of a brighter day. Letting in the feeling, mending what we break. Find the solace in the dissonance.
Hi, Charles here. Well, we're still doing some tweaking. Susie's fixing the drawer, and we're doing some modifications to make the moonshade work on the side and the back, and a couple other things. Thanks for watching. Well, you might wonder what's going on here with this plastic. Well, Susie's working on a couple of ideas to use that Zero Breeze Mark II. We're going to a Harvest Hose site, First Miracle Winery, about an hour and a half from here, past Salem, Indiana, tomorrow night. And then we're going to drive up to Salem, have lunch with some friends, and then go to Corydon for a 12-hour race at the fairgrounds there. It's a horse track, and I've done this race before. You can do 3, 6, or 12 hours, and I've signed up for the 12, though I fell the other day and thought I broke my ankle, so it's still real sore. We'll see how many miles I can get in, and I just plan on walking it. And it's going to be in the upper 50s, so we really won't need air conditioning, but we might try it during the day because we're going to get there probably early afternoon, mid-afternoon. And it's supposed to get to maybe 81, but I think we can find a shady spot. Anyway, we're preparing for using the Zero Breeze in here. But what this video is about is we did buy a Moonshade awning. We did buy it. They did give me a $40 discount. They weren't interested in having joining us as a corporate partner, and that's fine. We actually did buy stuff, you know. I gave a report about how much we spent. That Moonshade fits on the side fine, and I'll show you. We just put a little hook up there to do the middle grommet up there, and then here it's a problem because it won't be the van isn't wide enough for the Moonshade. So I'll show you a little adaptation I did with some 80/20 up there. Just finished that. Bars that slide out with carabiners that'll hold it. So I think so. The Moonshade uses poles just like you've done with tents and awnings. So I'll just film us doing this, and I'll probably speed it up because it's kind of self-explanatory. So I'll show some close-ups, but up here on the ends I've got 14-inch section of the 80/20 Series 10, same as the roof rack, and I'll take pictures up there and show you. But up there I've got a frame to hold down things, and you've seen that. And so I drilled 2 holes. Got a 1.25 inch, quarter 20 button head bolts, and so they can slide in and out. So right now I've got them slid out, so it's about 12 inches with a carabiner, and we have not tried this yet, so we'll see how this works. Susie's either getting some Velcro or some paracord to tie it on up there, and we'll see how this works. We're doing the narrow side here, and Susie, she told me that they're sliding, and that's true. Those carabiners are just loose, but don't you think they'll have to stay there now, won't they?
I don't know.
We'll find, but that's easily solved. Okay, so what we need to find out is, will this hold? So I think you need to come down now. Okay, so we're raising it up now. Ooh, that's looking hopeful. Look at that. What do you think? Now look, open the doors. I mean, go partially here. Oh. What are you thinking? Look at that.
Very nice.
It really works.
I mean, it'll keep drizzle out.
Yeah, because it's past the edge there.
If it was pouring rain.
Right, that might not. Yay.
You did good.
Oh my.
You did well.
This is going to work, and then I will loosen these, slide the whole bar back in, and you won't even know that they're up there. So, yay. What do you know? We've been wondering about this, and it does work. So here's the view up here, and you can see my extension there, and it's got a slide with a carabiner in it, and she just got some twine actually. And so when you go from the narrow side here, it's just 2 grommets.
Actually, I think we have more room. Well, it depends on how it's raining.
Right. So, I mean, you're saying we could just do this.
There's little holes everywhere. I could just put the string in.
Yeah, if we did it this way,
it comes out farther.
And let's turn it sideways just to show them.
Okay.
This is traditionally something new. This is the way you would normally do it. We've got all these holes up there on the Flatline Van Company roof rack to tie. So you doing that now?
Yeah. It barely covers the door.
Yeah. Well, because of the way we have our roof rack. But as we started to show you, we could turn this narrow side out just like we had over there, and we'd have an area out this way. It would cover the door. We turned it sideways, and that works great as well. She's working on the curtains there. We'll make that a separate episode when we really test out the zero breeze cooling.
Drawer.
Huh?
The drawer.
And she fixed the drawer.
Well, kind of.
And we just have to remember to lock it every time. So anyway, we'll get back with you about the zero breeze and maybe a little bit about our weekend at that Harvest Toast, the winery, and at the race that I'm doing. Thanks for watching.